When I realized that every page I published was a silent salesperson, I finally cracked the code to content ROI. At first, I thought traffic numbers were enough. I could pull a report in minutes, but the numbers felt empty. Page views, impressions, likes, all look good on a dashboard, but they don't show me who pays. That was the first gap I noticed. I kept chasing vanity metrics like session counts and follower growth, only to see my budget shrink while my revenue stayed flat. I realized that true return on investment is measured by revenue relative to every dollar spent. That means I have to add up the cost of writers, designers, tools, and the hours my team spends editing and publishing. If I ignore any of those, I'll inflate my ROI from the start. I had to create a clean, defensible formula. The core formula is simple. Revenue from content minus total cost divided by total cost times 100. That gives me a percentage I can show on a slide. But the trick is getting the numbers right. I have to define what counts as content revenue, not just any sale. To capture revenue, I tag deals in my CRM when the buyer has read or referenced a piece before the first call. Those deals become my content-influenced pipeline. It's the slice of revenue I can truly claim. And I factor in lifetime value when the sales cycle stretches years. Metrics matter too. I stopped celebrating page views. Instead, I track traffic that lands on conversion pages, case studies, pricing, comparison. Those visits turn into leads. I also watch time to close. Content-engaged leads close 17 days faster in my experience. That speed builds more revenue in less time. Choosing the right attribution model is like picking a lens. First touch shows where awareness starts. Last touch shows who closes. Linear splits credit evenly, and time decay gives weight to the touch near the sale. I use all three together. That way, I see both the spark and the finish. Tools can help, but the real breakthrough happened when I discovered Distribb. It's an AI SEO system that turns my website into a customer acquisition engine. Because Distribb handles research, planning, writing, and publishing from one place, every article carries clean links and proper UTM data. That structure made my attribution data automatically match my CRM. I set a target before each quarter: 30% of pipeline from content, 10% of revenue from organic channels, and a 15% drop in cost per lead. Every month, I pull the 4 key numbers and write a brief narrative. The CFO looks at the trend, not a snapshot, and I can prove content is a growth lever, not a cost center. Page is promise.